Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to combine first name and surname by one click. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly select the cells. So after selecting first cells, so write here first name and surname. So after writing first name and surname, then click on second cells and press Control and E. So when you will press Control and E, so you can see all name are written very easily by one click. So guys, in this way you can combine first name and surname very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.